In this video, I will show you step by step how you can find your Roblox password on your device. So step number one will be to head over to Roblox. And if we head over to more, go down to settings, you can then go to account information. And then if we scroll down, you can then see password. If we click on the pencil icon, as you can see, this will now allow you to change your password. But if you don't know your current password, what we need to do is we need to head on back. If we are on iPhone, we can go to search and then we can search for passwords. Now, once we go to passwords, if you have saved your Roblox password on here, you could search for it and then click on this, and then you will then be able to see the password right there. If you click on it, that will then reveal this. If we are on Android, it's a little bit different. What we can do is head over to Google Chrome, and then you want to make sure that you are signed into your Google account. From here, you want to click on your profile picture, and then from here, you now want to go down, and then you want to click on manage your Google account. Now, once we're on our Google account, if we scroll over, click on security, you will then be able to scroll down until you see the option for password manager. Click on manage passwords. This will then bring this up, and then you can then search for Roblox in the search bar. If you have saved your Roblox password on your Google account, you will then be able to click on it, and then you'll then be able to view your password on your Google account.